Foxy, come here, girl. Look at her running. Come here. Come here, mama. Come here. Well, candle. God. See it. See, Foxy. See. See it, Drago. Foxy, girl. See, Fox. See, see. American Bullies on a snow day. We outside on a snow day. American Bully throwing the ball. This how it is playing with American Bullies. If we in this Midwest, cause usually right now it wouldn't be snowing, and it's right after Thanksgiving. So I'm surprised right now we getting hit with snow, cause usually it hit late. We got a sheep on the plate. Drago. Look at it. See? Ooh. 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 Fake throw. Ooh. Oh, buddy. Oh. Look at all the snow on the BMW. It's hella snow on the BMW. Take a drink, huh? Look at that boy. See it? See it, Drago? Let me see you see it. I don't know where Foxy is. Foxy! Come on, Foxy. Foxy. She running from me, y'all. Look at her. She running from me. Come here. Look. She so prey drive on the ball. She hella prey drive. Oh, shit. Look, I gotta put the ball up here. Look, it's up here. Look at her. See it? Sit there. See it? See it? Stay. Stay. Yeah. Get here. Get here. Oh, jeez. Yeah, she going crazy. Oh, I think she know how to launch that mother. Let me see if she can get out. Look, get. Oh, she a fucking beast. She gonna get that bitch. Look at him. Look at Draco coming over here. Oh, she going at me. Oh, she going at me. Oh, she going. Draco in the cut. Look, Draco. Come here, get it, Draco. Get it, Draco. Yo, is that a vintage? What's that, a vintage? Look like an old school Volkswagen? Not bad. I ain't gonna fake it. I bought like a rebuilt / restore car, and I rebuilt it. It's not bad. This shit, it looked kind of good, in good condition. Paint look good on it. All right, come here. Come here, Voss. She a big girl too. Standard bully. Come here. Get him over there. Standard bully. Good prey drive. Good prey drive. My boy Draco. Come here, Draco. Get out of that snow off, please. Little beast. Foxy. Foxy. Come here, girl. Come here, Foxy girl. Come here, Draco. All right, see it. Sit. 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 They don't want to sit. It's cold as hell. It's hella cold. Draco. He trying to take a boo-boo. He trying to take a boo-boo. He trying to take boo-boo. Oh, shit, we on the hill? Hot, sit, sit. Hot. You gotta sit. Sit there. Sit. Sit there. Hot, sit there. Sit. Hot, sit there. Here, Draco. Here, Draco. Get it, Draco. Oh, get it, Draco. Don't let her get it. Come on, Draco. Get it, Draco. Here, Draco. Here, Draco. Here, Draco. Here, Draco. You can't let her get it, Draco. You can't get it, Draco. Get it, girl. Go get it. Snowplow trucks. It's getting hecka bad out here, y'all. Like, it's feeling like 15 degrees. I shouldn't even be having them out here. But I woke up a little late that I had to take them out to use the bathroom. So I'm like, shit. Y'all might as well go ahead and fucking play a little bit. And then I'll just dry them off with the dryer when I get in the house. So. Come here, girl. Get out the woods. Good, mama. Sit. 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 Sit down. Stay. Stop. I threw it. Get it, girl. Go get it, mama. Ooh, shit. Bobo Kennels. We out here, Bobo Kennels out here in 15-degree weather, throwing the ball with American Bullies. 15-degree weather. Come on, boy. All right, get out there. Get out there. Get out of that dirty water. That shit dirty. Get out of there. Get out of there.